Hi all, welcome to DevStack AI Ops. Who are watching this channel, please subscribe and also share with your friends and families. And also please comment about your queries and feedbacks. Click on that bell icon so that you will get all the notifications. So in this channel, we'll be talking no nonsense, no stories. Okay, so everything will be on point. So you have already seen the thumbnail that we'll be talking about Docker. So today we'll talk about containers, and also whatever we are doing will be comparing with real life examples. So here I have taken a real life example of a smoothie. Okay, so preparing a smoothie. So let's start. So imagine you love to cook and you have created a special secret recipe for a smoothie. And to make this special smoothie, you need a special blender, and also you need fruits which are coming from a particular farm, and also you need a special kind of ice. So if you give this recipe to your friend, they will probably fail because they might not have the same blender, they might be using wrong fruits and ice, so the taste of the smoothie will completely different. So this is the same problem the developers are having with their softwares. Nothing but whenever they develop something, it works on their computer but it breaks on everything else. So that is where this statement comes. But it worked on my blender, but it worked on my laptop, but it worked on my server, right? So how we are going to solve this problem? So there the containers have came into the picture. Containers will solve this problem. So how it is, we'll check now. So imagine you are the chef and you have created everything with respect to the smoothie. So you have shared this recipe, but your friends can't make it right. So their blenders are different, like what we have discussed. So this is a classic headache what developers also will have. So what is the solution? The solution is the containers. So how this container solves these problems? So for example, you are creating an application or a smoothie, that is smoothie recipe, I would say, right? And you will be packaging it up with everything it needs to run. So what do you mean by packaging it? So instead of sharing only a recipe, what we'll be doing is you are creating a box. Okay, so in that box you are packaging everything. Nothing but you are adding a recipe, you are adding the special blender it requires, you are adding fruits, and also you are adding the ice, whatever the ice required for the smoothie. So when it is when we compare with the software, when we are going to map with this, the recipe itself is an application code, right? And whatever the blender we are talking about, those are libraries required, and the fruit ice are the files required for this application to run, dependencies required for this application to run, and configurations required for this application to run. So everything will be packaging it into one box, and that box is called as a container. So now you can ship this box to anyone. Your friend doesn't need to own a special blender, or they don't need to hunt for that rare fruits. They just open the box, they'll just start the blender, and a perfect smoothie will be made, right? So the box has everything which is required. And what are the benefits of this container or the box we are talking about? So it is completely portable. Nothing but you can run it anywhere. Like you can go and run that particular container in developer's laptop, in a company's server, or in the cloud. Anywhere you run that container, it works, right? Example with smoothie, you can run that anywhere. You can run in your kitchen, you can go to a restaurant and you can make smoothies, you can go to your friend's house, you can make smoothies, because everything is packaged and everything is given to you. So it is very easy for you to run, right? And also it is very lightweight and fast. So box doesn't contain whole kitchen in it, right? It contains only what required to make a smoothie. So this means it is small and it is efficient. So we are not taking complete operating system or anything, or the complete information required or to develop your code, right? We are just picking the libraries, files, dependencies, configurations which are required, and we are packing it in a container. And also it is having an isolation. When I'm saying isolation, so you can run any number of containers, okay, which is very much isolated with each other. So in this example, you have mango smoothie, you have pineapple smoothie, right? You have strawberry smoothie. You will have different smoothies, and they are completely isolated, okay? So they are not mixed with each other. So mango is a different smoothie, and you're talking about strawberry smoothie, they are different, okay? So they are completely isolated. We are not mixing them. In the same way, when you are coming into this example, okay, so when you are talking into this software containers, okay, so they are completely isolated, okay? So they don't interfere with any other containers. And efficiency, because these boxes are so small and efficient, you can run many more of them on a single computer, okay? So on a single computer you can run any number of containers. That is the reason why this is very much efficient, okay? So containers are nothing but process of bundling application, its dependencies, libraries into a single portable unit, and that runs consistently anywhere, right? That is the container. So it has made building and sharing software faster, more efficient, and far more reliable. Okay, so this is what a container is all about. Hope you guys have got a clear picture of what a container. If someone asks you about a container, just remember of a smoothie. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day. Bye.